Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
What do you want? That was a good one.
Don't. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo!
No. No.
You wanna play?
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
See your handstand. Damn straight.
When do we want them? Meow!
You how? How are you?
Para, filha da puta, de arranhar meu sofá, desgraçado.
Matters the most. Not only do you have a good
William, get ready.
Only love can hurt like this.
She was so innocent.
I'm sorry. I just asked a question. You can hear me. Oh my god.
Macaroni with the chicken strips.
Hey. Bro, stop! Why are you doing that? You want food?
And that's not it. That looks like a house cat.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Don't do that.
May I have your smelly bird?
No, it's meow mix. Try again.
This one's mean as fuck.
No!
Walter, please watch your tail.
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth. How does one sleep in this position? I just don't get it.
Oh, it's cold.
Why'd you bite me? Don't do it. Don't do it.
Wow. Wow. This is just wow. Ni nada.
He's in great condition.
Oh, baby, come on.
Come on.
Ma'am.
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
Oh my god.
Hey, come on. Come. No. They are my chicken. Wow, Lulu.
Cinder, no.
No.
You're so cute.
Run.
Get it off of you. Okay.
What? Oh!
Are you stuck?
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
I thought. Stop, you're scaring me.
He's like, get off of me.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.